Hello everybody, Namaskar, Namaste. I'm on my way to AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 430 at the BSS school. This will be my second session in this particular school. I must appreciate the administration of the BSS school and of course the socially responsible and extremely enterprising principal Sunita Sen ma'am for supporting this mission over the years so strongly, not only for her students. She's trying to spread this awareness not only among her students, but she has been very active in spreading this awareness among other schools, among other principals. So I must appreciate that. I'm looking forward to meet all my dear soldiers at the BSS school for AAC Anti-Addiction Campaign number 430, session number 2.
Now today is a very special day because I have been wanting to have this particular program for a very long time, and somehow or the other your exams, your syllabus, your whatever, I've seen some of my friends sitting with a bottle of liquor. And I also wanted to taste, and I want to show off how brave I am by bringing a liquor bottle and pouring it in a glass and on the Insta, posting it. Oh, see how brave I am. And in spite of being a marine engineer, in spite of being an actor, in spite of being a teacher at SNPAI, in spite of his busy schedule, Mr. Bobby Chakraborty, a social activist, what does he do? He comes to talk to young people, to tell them how to control one's mind and not indulge in things that one should not.
Bobby Chakraborty, the change maker of the society. He has been an actor since 2002 in TV, films and theatre in Bengali, Hindi and English. Academically, he is a marine engineer who served for ExxonMobil. He is a very popular teacher of method acting at SNPAI, the leading acting and modeling school of India.
May I invite Mr. Bobby Chakraborty on stage, and may I also invite Mrs. Shanta Krishnan to please come. We will do a short.
वक्त अगर मैंने तुमको डांटा भी, याद रखो मम्मी पापा की तरह एक आदमी है जो तुम्हारी लाइफ में आया है, पैसे दिमाग में रख के नहीं, ये दिमाग में रखो।
So first option you can take is दादा की बात एक कान से सुनेंगे, एक कान से निकाल देंगे। वो कौन होता है हमको बोलने वाला, look after your health and how dare he wants good for us। না সমাজে এই রকম বোকায় ভর্তি, গাধার দলে ভর্তি। किसी का भलाई चाहो, किसी का भलाई करने जाओ, गालियां बक देगा तुमको ऊपर। हाउ डे यू, আমার ভালো চাইছো তুমি, তোমার সাহস কম না তো? তুমি আমার ভালো চাও, আমি যাতে yeah, we have gone through all of that. অদিতি সেটাই করতে হবে। Life, the school, the principal has given you today an opportunity to change your life. Today is an opportunity, Aditi, যেটা can change you. It has changed many lives. না হলে দাদা এটা বছরের পর বছর सालों पे नहीं करता। पैसा नहीं मिल रहा हमको कुछ तो मिल रहा है, so that I'm carrying what क्या मिल रहा है, because I'm changing lives, and there are many lives changed from this school also. Many of your ex-students are still in touch with me. Still, that we are watching, we are seeing, we are hearing, school after school, and it's not only a city school, everywhere. I'm taking this all around the world, and the level of donkey-ness, gadhepan, that the youth is going towards is unfathomable. Unfathomable बुझिस? Unfathomable माने मापा जाएगा, माप नहीं सकती, इतना डेप्थ में चला गया गधेपन। Can we give a big hand to Srita? Srita is what he's trying to tell me is that he's not a criminal. वो कोनो अपराध कुछ ना, कोनो गैरकानूनी काम नहीं कर रहा है। At the end of every year, he is giving tax to the government. हाँ? तुम जुआ कैसे नहीं करेगा? तुम्ही गंजा खाओ ना, तुम्हारी गुली कर दो, पॉइंट ब्लैंक मार देंगे तुमको। तुम सिगरेट पी नहीं फूकेगा, देख बॉम्ब मार के तेरा फाड़ डालेंगे, देख। Now the point is the Malvikia Malvikin telling you that? All chances of that यहाँ पे भी आता है, because वही गधेपन का unfathomable level में हम लोग चले गए। देखो लड़का लड़की ऐसे poison in its sweet hubby, and that gadha is also, oh my God, तुम हमारा बंधु, एक ना हो हमारा बंधु, these parties and these colors, हम friendship देखा लो, हम लोग नहीं जाती, और भी बहुत सारे ऐसे, हम लोग नहीं जाते, because we have that awareness, ये best gift को देखभाल करना है, इसको सही सलामत रखना है, because this is not your IG filter, कि ये फिल्टर पसंद नहीं आया, नहीं ये फिल्टर में डालो, नहीं अंडू करो, एडिट को अंडू करके फिर से ओरिजिनल में जाके फिर से एडिट करो, नहीं रे बाबा, एक बार ये एडिट होता है तो बोलो तो forever it's edited, it's no point of turning back. Directly proportionate, you understand directly proportionate, yes or no bolo? You do in maths, directly proportionate. That is directly proportionate or linked to it. The next word which starts with C for जो तुम जीवन में करना चाहते हो, what you want to do. यहाँ पे सब कुछ करते हो, सब कुछ देते हो, गालियाँ देते हो. Because we are coming to the reasons. So that is the thing that I want to tell you. You look after this. The first word which starts with H, what is it? Yes. Which is linked with C for? Yes. Which is linked with the Why? Because these people thought that my money, my talent, my power, my popularity is going to save me even if I put poison chemicals inside my best gift. They thought, were they right or were they wrong? तो यही समझना है, तुमको समझते हो नहीं समझते हो? These deaths आता। What if you are abusing your own body? Burning question. What if you are abusing your own body? Can anybody save you? Aditi, keu tumhe bachate parbe na if you can't respect and if you can't look after this body. You can say, courtesy that donkeys in your life, courtesy that unfathomable donkeyness in your life. जो पैर बढ़ा दियो, the seniors and juniors में what क्या है? We follow the examples in the society. हम लोग उदाहरण से you know, we live by examples. तो हम लोग के आसपास अगर only bad examples रहेगा, good examples सामने नहीं रहेगा, तो एक बच्चा या बच्ची तो उसको ही good समझेगा, है या नहीं? समझो, realize the independence that is given to them. घर से जैसे ही इंडिपेंडेंस मिलता है, आज तुम 6 में हो, 7 में हो, 8 में हो, स्कूल में हो, जैसे 11, 12 आ जाएगा, जैसे ही कॉलेज आ जाएगा, कॉलेज में हॉस्टल्स आ जाएगा, उसके बाद अपना पैसा, अभी तो मम्मी पापा का पैसा, पॉकेट मनी जो मिल रहा है मम्मी पापा का, उसके बाद तुम्हारा पैसा, you will earn, you will work, take deadly weapons. So can 90% of the teenagers, boys and girls, starting from your age, they don't know how to utilize those weapons. शादी में नीचे कुछ नहीं है, everything is here. This can change your life, I'm telling you. All your attention. So masculinity and feminism are very strong and positive words. These two words tell you to be so strong, to make your gender, whether it's a female gender or a male gender, so strong that you are not dependent on anybody. समझ में आया? मेरे हुए टकानो को ऐसा फालतू डायलॉग बोलिए. This is not about a me or chile. This is about a human body. Let's get it straight. There's no male chauvinism working in whatever I'm telling you. No. Human body. So I stop my car ever more than the men or more than anybody. ওরা যা করছে সেটাকেই যদি তুমি এমুলেট করো, তুমি एक सिगरेट पी सकता है, हम पूरा पैकेट मार देगा. तुम एक पे गेले, हम पूरा बॉटल मार देगा. That is where it has reached. I go to parties, I see what is happening all around. আর ম্যাম এই ঘটনাটা বললে এটা র্যান্ডম কোনো ঘটনা নয়. এটি ব্যালেন্স এন্ড মানি কিনলে वाला है. That is a very tough time. যারা যারা এখানে মাথা নাড়াচ্ছিস and whether the session goes up, আরো বেশি করে দাদা তুমি ঠিক বলছো, आप एकदम सही बोल रहे हो, I am going to follow you. सब होता है यहाँ पर. But when the independence and money comes, everything goes for a toss. पैसा जो आ रहा है, पैसे को सही सलामत इस्तेमाल करो ताकि ये ठीक रहे. नहीं तो सब पैसा डॉक्टर ले लेगा, सब पैसा है. You have to either misuse your money, your parents' money, और बाद में तुम्हारा अपना मनी. अभी तो parents' money, बाद में अपना मनी. You have to misuse it. हम लोगों को जस्ट ये करना पड़ता है. हम लोगों को सिर्फ ये करना पड़ता है. Everything can fall on our feet. कि सुनीता मैम क्या खाएंगे, क्या पिएंगे, क्या भूखेंगे, बोलिए बॉबी दादा, बॉबी सर क्या पिएंगे, क्या that we are putting in front of you. That is the Roshni part we are putting in front of you. Why can't you follow that? Why is it very difficult to follow that? तो ये अल्कोहल जो दुख की बात है, सोसाइटी में पानी की तरह फैल गया, यूथ में पानी की तरह फैल गया. A poison, prohibited stuff. Prohibited पता है सुने लो वही चीज़ों prohibited. जेटा बांग्ला निषिद्ध बोले, निषिद्ध. जो मेन स्ट्रीम में आना नहीं चाहिए, मेन स्ट्रीम में आएगा तो सबका डिस्ट्रक्शन होगा. These boys, these girls went in for alcohol, got drunk, got into a fight. One of the boys broke a bottle and put it in another boy's heart. This is a birthday party. That boy died on spot. The big news in all channels and all newspapers. Sheikh Selika mara gaya, 14 years of age. Totally bullshit. What if you stand in front of the boy's mother? If you stand in front of the boy's mother, the mother is only breathing. वही माँ के निजे माँ बाप अपने मम्मी के बारे में सोचो. The last word is mind. It's like a villain inside. Villain क्यों? ये तुमको बोलता है खराब काम करने के लिए. ये तुमको बोलता है स्टडी मत करो. ये तुमको बोलता है मम्मी पापा को झूठ बोलो. ये तुमको बोलता है कि इंडिपेंडेंस एंड मनी जब भी मिलेगा उसको मिसयूज करो. ये तुमको बोलता है जो HCF फॉलो नहीं करता है. Do is we can join hands together. তুমি আমি একা কিছু করতে পারবো না. কিন্তু if we can join hands, yes, she's holding it raised. Yes, that is the way we join hands. And by joining hands, Rupkata, you become a soldier. You become a soldier of a global army. Global army মানে সারা পৃথিবী জুড়ে একটা আমি আর্মি তৈরি করছি. এই তোমরা যারা young boys and girls who are the building blocks of the society, the most important people. তাদের একটা army, their army. And you become the first soldier. You become the first soldier of Atta number 430 from the BSS school. And take the good things out of everything. And this formula is going to help you to take the good things. এই মুভমেন্টে এই মোশনে
Jinish boli, do you know that? We have a group on Facebook. Read my fingers. So this is a group on Facebook. Again, the group's name is? You want to say hello? So this is a group that we have on Facebook, which is being joined by students, parents, administrators, principals, teachers, politicians, sportsmen all around the world. We need to give this lady a bigger hand. Why? कारण ओवर तुम्ही जितना कोई हो तो तुम्हारे से ज़्यादा विराट पॉडकास्ट कोई हो एक ही कास्ट से कोई हो देखिए हम ना in my past profession I was a medical engineer so I've been all around the world in this profession I like to travel just like now I think सिखाया नहीं जा रहा है and I'm really thankful to your parents रुको था बाबा माँ के बोलबे जे दादा बोले छे thank you তোমাদের যে তোমরা আমাকে এই শিক্ষাটা দিয়েছো এবং এই শিক্ষাটা শুধু তুমি পেলেই হবে না রূপকথা ইউ হ্যাভ টু স্প্রেড ইট টু দি আদার্স তোমার থেকে ছোটরা আমাকে কেউ নমস্কার করতে আসলে আমি বলতে না না থাক থাক আমি বলি না কখনো তুমি করো করো বিকজ ইউ আর মিসিং আউট অন দিস ইউ আর মিসিং আউট অন দিস থিংস আমাদের শুধু ডিসরেসপেক্ট রুডনেস because this is what we are seeing this is what we are watching roasting जो अच्छा वहां पे जिस चीज को दिखाई दे रहा है सपोज ये आयशा के हाथ में जो एक्सरसाइज या डायरी है दिस इज द स्मार्टफोन ओके हम एक चीज करेंगे वो करके जब करेंगे उसके बाद किसकी याद आती है किसका याद आता है तुमको बताना तोड़ के रख देंगे होल डे कौन मारे को तो मुझे पूछ भेजे लोगों फुल फोन because this has become a big nuisance in our life. A big nuisance in our life. If you are talking about chemicals, which Gene Tapak Dum Dum, everybody Gene Tapak Dum Dum, Gene Tapak Dum Dum, Gene. तुमको, don't you feel there's an element of extreme foolishness in following somebody blindly? तुम्हारा अपने का दूसरा उपाय या second definition is when you have talent inside you. And अभी मैंने बोला how to gauge if you are talented. Talent doesn't only mean that you can dance. There are so many other talents. Keeping your self-respect intact. Reels बनाओ. सही कोरियोग्राफी करो जो तुम्हारा एज अप्रोप्रिएट है सही कपड़े पहनो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट वो स्ट्रेंजर्स एंड परवर्ट्स एंड करप्ट पीपल तुमको आके टैलेंटेड बोल रहा है तुमको आके क्यूट बोल रहा है डजंट मैटर मम्मी आके बोलेगी नहीं आयशा होल्ड देयर फोन तो नहीं बोलेगी कैसे वेरी इजी वेज फर्स्ट वन कीप योरसेल्फ बिजी There's a proverb called idle mind is the devil's workshop. Idle mind is the devil's workshop. The more you keep yourself idle, all the devil is going to come and take over your mind. And will put it in front of you. The phone will come in front of you. And all the dirt that is coming inside from the phone. Jina bhi Rupakatha ko bola, ye phone, internet is such a beautiful thing. Internet is such a powerful thing. तुम्ही बालीगंज बसे, गलियारे बसे, with your good and bad ideas, you can spread it to Greenland. Good and bad. You somebody की शादी studies? No. Because your mind is telling you, don't be busy. That khalnaik inside is telling you, don't be busy. Only this in your hand. You keep yourself busy. You override this part. You're the king of your mind. You override this part. No. I'm going to keep myself busy the whole day. How do you keep yourself busy? Then now comes the second part. You do time management. What do you do? Time management. What I do, I'm going to tell you that. This is very important for me. All these people. Donkeys! The point is, do you want to grow up as donkeys? No. Do you want to grow up as donkeys? No. Because you are mine. Soldiers, you are mine.
that is the sentence, I am the king of my mind, जिसको हम जोर से second one, louder. And third one, all your hands raised, please. All your hands raised. Teachers, respected teachers, all your hands raised, please. Now all your hands raised. Good team. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you so much. A big hand for Ashmita, please. Thank you, Bhargavi. I wish you all the very best. Can you give a big hand for the head coach, Bhargavi? A big hand for Aditi, please. The second one goes to Rupata. Can we give a big hand to Rupata, please? And the third one goes to Ashmita. Can we give a big hand to Ashmita, please?
Us. But take the good things. Please push aside anything that does not pertain to you. And that is what education is all about. So from the bottom of my heart, on behalf of the BSS school, thank you so much, Bobby Dada, as you have fondly referred to yourself for the students, and I'm sure my brigade of wonderful students will take your message ahead.
जाने तू या जानना माने तू या मानना माने तू या मानेगा तेरा मुझसे पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई.
So, AC 430-430, session number 2 at the BSS school comes to an end, and what a session it was. I must appreciate the enterprising and socially responsible principal, Sunita Sen ma'am, yet again, once more, for organizing everything so perfectly. I must appreciate and thank all the teachers, all the respected teachers who were present throughout the session. I must appreciate the enthusiasm from the official photographer of the session, Sudarshana. Sudarshana, you're a very well brought up, well mannered girl. Please give my regards to your parents. And lastly, all my dear soldiers, y'all are sweethearts. I am missing all of y'all very badly. Tora shobai bhalo thakish. Take the second option. I'll be very happy if you take the second option. जो जो तुमने सुना उसको ज़िंदगी में उसको अप्लाई करो, इस्तेमाल करो, एग्जीक्यूट करो. Use HCF as a formula. Be the king of your mind, be the queen of your mind, be the control of your mind. And happy pujas. And love you. And I'm the king of my mind.